Risk assessment study for extension of Koyali Ahmednagar pipeline to Solapur. Project prominent Messrs Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Pipelines Division, Noida. Mantech Consultants Private Limited, prepared by. Other contact details you may see there. Here is the table of contents. Chapter 1 Executive Summary, Chapter 2 Introduction, Project Description, Identification of Hazard and Selection of Scenarios, Effect of Consequence Analysis, Risk Analysis, Comparison against Risk Acceptance Criteria, Recommendations and Risk Reduction, list of tables, list of figures. So you just go through this and take care. There is a crossing of Kakinada Jamnagar pipeline at Javla Nizamuddin South region next to Dr. Manoj Kumar Munot Papaya Farm or Karkar Custard Apple Farm. So with respect to crossing of these two lines and simultaneously crossing of 5 high density electricity lines from Parali to Paranda, it is humble request to security department of concerned sectors to take care of security provisions as per as upcoming Surat Chennai Greenfield Expressways, Nashik Akkalkot corridor also passes nearby, and there is a proposed node at Javlani West, Arangav East and Takli East. Besides Akkalkot Nashik corridor, so it may raise high security concern. So it is my humble request to concerned departments, Prime Minister Office, Ministry of Home Affairs and Petroleum Ministry, Road and Highways Ministry, Industrial Ministry and concerned Power Ministry also. We should not wait for any accident. So it is my humble request and security concern. All the authorities may consider accordingly. Thank you. Myself, Dr. Manoj Kumar Premraj Munot, at post Javlani, Taluka Paranda, District Dharashiv, pin code 413504. My contact details, you may message or WhatsApp me at 9307616630. Consider this as an email or request letter, and please do the needful for the concern of Javlani, Shirsav, Kandalgaon, Ghargaon and that Bhandgaon, Takli, Arangaon, the territory of these pipelines crossings, so that nothing may accidentally happen as far as security provisions are concerned. Once again, A humble request, consider this as an email or letter, official letter, and please do the needful for the sake of vicinity of crossing point of Reliance pipeline from Kakinada basin to Jamnagar, and this Ahmednagar pipeline to Solapur from Koyali Vadodara. Thank you very much.